defense wish to give an opening statement at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed, Ms. Cuviello.
The defendant violated the Colorado civil cyberstalking statute when she knowingly harassed Ms. Cullen by sending her multiple threats electronically.
I wrote down very few things, but rather than talk about those very few things now, let's do witness examination, shall we?
And where were you at this time?
I was in a meeting with Chris Stewart until about 4:50.
Is there any way Ms. Stewart could have sent Fatal Flaw's message while in the meeting?
Definitely not. She was interviewing me for the school's newspaper the entire time.
My name is Brandon Colano, and I'm part of the Boulder High mock trial team. And it's a great experience. I'm on the team because I love law, and I love watching students think on their feet, and that's what we do all the time here. Right now we are preparing for the state competition, which is this weekend. We won the regional round, and the Boulder High team is advancing to the state tournament, where we will be competing with all of the other teams in Colorado that won in their districts.
May I approach the witness, Your Honor?
You may.
Ms. Cullen, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Honor, the plaintiff moves to admit Officer Pattinson as an expert in the field of online security and cybercrimes and requests she testify as such.
Our case is a cyberstalking case. It is a civil case, and the plaintiff is suing the defendant because she is claiming that the defendant cyberstalked her, causing her to not graduate as valedictorian and lose a scholarship of $60,000.
I do need you to keep track for the purposes of the opening statements and closing arguments. They've been revamped a little. I think they're all under 5 minutes, but they're cutting it kind of close.
It can be a little nerve-wracking at times, but it's exciting.
In fact, you admitted that there were 6 separate stalking incidences that Ms. Cullen experienced. Yes?
Stalking, yes.
No further questions.
Redirect examination. You know, you lawyers asked me, and we had special training on what to do with the difficult witnesses, and I didn't see any of that happening today. They are, I hope, improving their analytical skills because they are being required to evaluate a set of facts, analyze which ones are important, which ones are unimportant, and figure out how to organize those facts in a logical fashion.
Well, I've learned how it all comes down to technicalities in law. And even when something is so obvious, if just one thing goes wrong, people can get away with